Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all of you looking for the perfect shampoo and conditioner set. Introducing the Monday HAIRCARE Volume Shampoo and Conditioner Set, a game-changer for those with thin, fine, and oily hair. Now, I know many of you have been on the hunt for the best hair care products out there. So stay tuned because this one might just be your new favorite. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's review.
Let's get started.
The Monday HAIRCARE Volume Shampoo and Conditioner Set comes in a convenient 2-pack, each bottle containing 12 ounces of product. What makes this set stand out? Well, it's not just about the quantity. It's about the quality and the amazing ingredients packed inside. These bottles are loaded with natural goodies like coconut oil, ginger extract, and vitamin E. That means you're not just cleaning your hair. You're giving it the nourishment it deserves.
Now, let's talk results.
Monday HAIRCARE isn't just any shampoo and conditioner set, it's salon quality. It's dermatologically tested, pH balanced, and free from those nasty chemicals like SLS, parabens, and phthalate. Instead, they use shea butter, rice protein, and, of course, our hair's best friend, coconut oil.
And here's the impressive part. Monday HAIRCARE has racked up 11 major beauty awards and counting. These awards include the Cosmopolitan 2021 Holy Grail Beauty Award, Glamour 2021 Beauty Award, Cosmopolitan 2021 Beauty Award, and even an InStyle 2022 Best Beauty Buy Award. But that's not all. Monday HAIRCARE is certified cruelty-free under the Leaping Bunny program by Cruelty Free International. So, you can feel good about using a product that doesn't test on animals. And here's a big win for the environment. Monday HAIRCARE bottles are 100% recyclable.
Not only will your hair look great, but you'll also be helping to minimize the carbon footprint and reduce landfill waste.
It's a win-win for your hair and the planet. So, there you have it, folks.
Monday HAIRCARE Volume Shampoo and Conditioner Set, the best shampoo and conditioner for those with thin, fine, and oily hair. It's a salon-quality, award-winning, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly option that will leave your hair feeling invigorated and balanced.
If you've tried Monday HAIRCARE, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.